So kind of what's cool is right off the bat, obviously I have full power right now. My car obviously is not dead, but this is checking it, it looks like. And so it's giving me a green light, it keeps checking it, it keeps running back. It's giving me a green, show me everything looks good. Obviously we'll try to manipulate that and see if we can't use this to jumpstart it. All right, so as you can tell, the sun is starting to go down, right? So it's starting to get a little bit dark. Let's just say you're up under your hood, you're trying to work on something, or you're stranded on the side of the road. This is definitely gonna come in handy because you can't just walk to your garage and grab your equipment. So just go ahead and hold on to that power button. And now you can really see what's going on or where you have an issue at. That's pretty bright. Okay, so if you're trying to pull out, right, you wanna go ahead and inflate a tire. This is kind of round up and wrapped into this. So you'll go ahead and pull this out. Obviously, you're gonna open that up. And let's go ahead and check out how the process works. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. As soon as you turn it on, let's go ahead and hit. So you could hear it coming on. Let's check PSI. So this tire is supposed to be at 32 pounds, or 32 PSI. Let's go ahead and check what she's got. So it's actually at 36 pounds. So this thing is way over. Okay, so right now, this is at 25.5 PSI. This needs to be between 33 and 35. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and do is right here, it's set there. If I push the plus button, it's gonna show me I can go up in pressure. So I can go whatever pressure I wanna set it at. I'm actually wanting to set it at 33 pounds. So once I've already established 33 pounds, I'm gonna go ahead and push start. But before I do, I'm gonna start this timer and see how long it actually takes for it to go ahead and inflate this tire to 33 pounds. So on your mark, get set. All right, so we hit 33 pounds in about 1 minute and 25. That is not too shabby. So within 1 minute and 25 seconds, you are able to inflate your tire. What was that?